Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about what is constructor injection. So in today's video we will see how to perform that. So for that I am going to refer the previous project and I'll expand SRCM in Java. There's a bean package. There I'll create some class. So let's say I'm going to create a new Java class and there I'll create some any name with the bean name. So we have student, employee, worker. Let's say animal class. Okay, a simple Java class we are going to create, and let's have fields, private int ID, and let's say name. It's going to be string type. Okay, done. Then this time I won't create setters getters together. I will just keep getters for get the values. Or we can do one thing. Let's even remove that. We are going to create constructors for now because here from this example we will see how to perform constructor injection. So I will generate constructors, and before that I'll generate toString to see all the details. Then using constructor using fields, so I want all, and let's remove this super keyword from here. And I prefer always have default constructor in your code, even if you're not using it, still have it there. So let's keep it blank or empty, but that's fine. But if you are keeping argumented constructor, make sure that you are having this thing as well. Okay, so our Pojo class is ready with constructor, no setters getters involved here, and on the configuration file which we keep inside srcm resources. If you don't know, so please refer my previous videos of SpringCore where we learned how to create and configure these things. So here we are. This is the already existing worker file. Let's create one more bean here. Let's call this bean thing, or okay, let's do one thing. Let me create one more configuration file. So I just copy this, right click, copy, right click on srcm resources and paste right there. And I'll call this Spring Core Constructor. Okay, there's a typo. Constructor Injection. Constructor Injection. Okay, done. So we have a new file, and let's remove the bean tag from here. So we're just keeping the bean tags. Okay, now let's create one bean tag. So bean, then there we will need to create an ID, and in this case we can call it animal. Then we can have a class, and here we have to give fully qualified name. So my package name is this. I'll copy that, paste it, and then a class name that is animal. So here goes the animal. So copy it and goes back, done. Then here I'll create constructor arg. Like earlier we must be using properties, but now we are using constructor arg here. And then we have to tell the name, which argument you're talking about. So let's make it simpler because just we want to see how it works. So I just want to remove ID from here as well. Just want to make it more simpler. With two arguments maybe it will confuse you guys, so keeping it more simpler. And then toString. Okay, a simple class with one field, and that field we are going to inject through XML configuration. So it needs two things like a name or something. So we will say just the value for now, and value would be let's say Johnny, and tag closed. So we're just saying initialize this field Johnny with that constructor which takes one argument, and the type is animal class. Okay, it's done. Time for tester class. So here I'll create a new Java class. I'll call this constructor injection tester, and there we will create main method. Now we know there are multiple Spring containers, so we are going to use new class path XML application context. So class path XML application context, which takes the file path or the name. So that's my file name. Okay, done. There we go. Paste the file name, This will give me application context, and once we have it, we can call that bean from the file, that XML file. So application context dot get me the bean whose ID is animal. How do I know it's animal bean? Because that's what I call it here in small a, animal, and then double quotes a. That's done. Then let's store this in a animal object, animal this, because get bean returns object type, so we have to cast it. So add casted, done. And then I can simply print this animal because we have toString over there. If you don't know what is toString and how it is printing, so write in the comment section, we will definitely discuss over there. Okay, so let's test the code. Right click, run as application, and here animal is printing with the value name Johnny, and that's coming from this XML, or let's make it Pony. Okay, that's new name. I just changed it. So let's go back to tester file, right click, run as tester, and yep, the value is changing. So yeah, our constructor injection is working. In next video, we will discuss about what just happened and how things are working. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet next video. Bye bye.